Welcome to 439 Fairford Road. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with a 2-car garage, fenced backyard, hardwood flooring, and granite countertops inside. It's located in the Blythewood Crossing neighborhood in Northeast Columbia, in Blythewood. Convenient to I-77 in Northeast area dining and shopping. So we're out front now. You can see you have a nice 2-car wide driveway leading to the 2-car garage. You have some carriage-style accents on the door and stacked stone around the garage itself. Covered front porch here as you enter. The neighborhood itself does have sidewalks on both sides of at least this street. And as we step inside, you will notice the hardwood flooring that begins here in the foyer continues throughout the main level of the home. You have a nice foyer with a built-in bench and some cubbies down there. You also have some hanging space and a small shelf above as well. And then you can see back towards the front door. And then you have a half bathroom, a powder room off of the entry hall. You have a single pedestal sink in there and commode. And then the stairs go up to the bedroom level there. But first, we'll take a look at the living space. So you have a nice open floor plan living area. Again, those floors continue. Crown molding in here. There is a gas log fireplace. And the living room is open to the dining area and kitchen. You have a counter bar on the kitchen island with some seating as well. And this door accesses the backyard, which we'll take a look at now. It's out back. You have a nice sized patio. Backyard itself is fenced. Some nice privacy fencing there. And then again, the dining room and the kitchen. You have dark granite countertops in the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. There is a dishwasher, side-by-side refrigerator, gas range, as well as a built-in microwave. You also have tile backsplash as well, window there over the sink. On the left here, you have a small pantry or closet, and then you have a walk-in pantry right across from it on this side for some additional storage, or you can store other items in there as well. And then this door accesses the 2-car garage. There is a vehicle parked inside right now. Sort of for reference, you can see it is, again, a 2-car garage, nice size. This is a sort of a mid-size or small SUV to give you an idea of space. And then we'll go back this way and continue on up the stairs. Second level. Carpeting starts here and continues throughout the rest of the home except for the bathrooms. And then on the second floor you have a nice landing here that you can use as sort of an office or sitting area or just some additional space. There's an attic pull down here as well. So your bedrooms are all off of the hall here. There's a laundry room or laundry closet on the way to the master bedroom. So you have full-size washer and dryer connections in here, and there is a shelf above as well. And then your master suite, you have a ceiling fan in here. I believe you have one in all of the bedrooms. It's a very large room and sort of an alcoved area over there. And you also have a walk-in closet on this side, which is a great size as well. And then straight ahead of us is our master bathroom. So you have a garden tub in here, and then also double sinks, the granite countertops, and then on this side you have a shower, which is separate, and separate room for the commode as well. It's nice and private there. And then on the other side of the hallway you have a second full bathroom, granite counters in here, and a shower and tub. And then last but not least, your 2 final bedrooms, both which are a nice size. This is the larger of these 2. You have a nice sized closet on the opposite wall there. And then bedroom number 3, right next door to a linen closet. You can see the size there, and the closet roughly the same size as the one in the second bedroom. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, 439 Fairford Road in Blythewood. You can find out more information on this property by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.